Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your reflector here on the rear bumper of a 2018 Honda Accord. And because of the way this is held on, you do have to remove your bumper, or at least partially remove your bumper. There are screws back and behind here, and when the bumper is on the car, there's too much stuff in there with this bumper beam and everything. It's too hard to get your hand back behind there to unscrew those 3 screws. So you don't have to take the bumper all the way off. You can just take it partially off, kind of like I did here. I have it hanging off just halfway. So I have a separate video on how to remove the whole bumper, and you can refer to that on how to get to this point. So basically I just took out the screws over here, the clip here in the bottom, the 2 clips in the back there, and there's a bolt there that I took out. And so I just peeled back half of it, and I'm gonna remove the whole bumper to make the filming easier, to show you guys how to replace that. But if you're doing it at home, you can do this to skip having to take all the other stuff off of that side also. All right guys, so here is the back side of the reflector, and you can just see that there's 3 Phillips screws. Once you have access to it, it's real simple. Just remove the 3 screws here. And remove the old one. And in this case, this tab right here, you can see it's loose. It shouldn't be like that. If you wish to glue it, you can, if you have issues with your tabs being broken. Or in this case, I'm going to replace the bumper. But just take note of that. Make sure your tabs are secure. And then take your new one. You can get these off of Amazon for pretty reasonable. I'll put links in the description below where you can get these. And just take it, and you're going to want to line the holes up with the tabs. There's these 3 tabs here. Just line them all up and get it seated. And just put your screws back in, and then put the bumper back on the car. And that's it guys. Thanks for watching.